Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Telegram wallet to Binance. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open your Telegram application and access the wallet inside it. Then tap on Send, select External Wallet, and then choose USDT. Now, make sure you have an available balance and are ready to send. After that, tap on Continue. For the withdrawal network, select Turn Network Zero Fees and then get back to Binance. Here, tap on Wallets, tap on Spot, then tap on Deposit, and then search for USDT. After that, select the first coin that pops up, and then select Toncoin for the network. Here, copy the USDT Toncoin address, get back to the Telegram wallet, and then paste the USDT Toncoin address from Binance. Now, tap on Continue, and you will be able to enter the USDT amount. Once done, tap on Continue, and then add a transaction tag containing some digits to prevent loss of funds. So let's go back to Binance and copy the memo. Then let's go back to the Telegram wallet and paste the memo here. After that, tap on Confirm and Send. You will then be prompted to enter the passcode and the USDT will be sent. So that's basically how you can send USDT from Telegram wallet to Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.